So you bought your ESP-8266 ESP-01 board, so this board here, and you need to get it to program it so you can actually put your Arduino software on there. To use that, we've got one of these transmitter boards or transceiver boards. It came as a kit, so it came with this. You need one of these in future, so as soon as you've got one, you don't need to buy a kit every single time. However, with these, to get it to program, currently it's only using UART, so it's not being able to program in. Going over the pins, we've got the receiver pin, the voltage in, which works at 3.3 volts, the reset pin, the enable pin, the transmitter pin, ground, GPIO2, GPIO0, and yeah, so that's all the pins there. So these two pins will be the ones you're using with your software, so whether it's an LED turning on and off, you'd be coming off one of these. However, to get it to work properly, we're going to need to short the enable pin to the VCC, so that needs a wire, and then we also need to short the GPIO0 pin to ground when we want to program it. So to do this, we got a button and two pieces of wire, and that's all we need to go on the bottom of this. Okay, so now what we've got here, we've got simply a button on the side, shorting the ground pin to the GPIO0, so if it's that way up, this is ground and GPIO0 is there, and then we're connecting the enable pin to the volts in, so that's this top pin and the 3 pin there. So now we've got this, all we've got to do is plug it in, and when we plug in the board, we need to make sure we hold the switch down for at least 2 seconds so it enables the programming mode. Okay, so now what we're going to do with the USB is when we plug it in, we want to hold down the button for at least 2 seconds, since this gives it enough time to put it into programmer mode. Once it's in that, we can let go of the switch. And what I've done here is I've edited a blink script so it just prints hello from ESP-01 into the COM port. So we'll upload this now. It doesn't take too long to upload. And you'll see it uploading with these orange dots. This is 35% done. You'll see the little LEDs blinking on the side. This means it's uploading. And now it's uploaded, and it's just going to print every second hello from ESP-01, which you can see just there. So I hope this tutorial is very easy for you to follow along. Don't forget to message me on my Instagram if you get stuck, and please like and subscribe and share, that would be great. Yeah, so I look forward to seeing you guys soon, and you'll see more tutorials and projects from me promptly. Bye.